everybody. I want to present you the results of good practices of intellectual property and human capital analysis. So this analysis was conducted with benchmarking process, which is used typically to measure time, cost and quality. Best practice benchmarking is used to evaluate various aspects of a process in relation to best practice schemes processes, usually within a peer group defined for the purposes of comparison. So, during our last workshop in Portsmouth, we were discussing about 5 good practices. The first one was Innovation and Technology Support Network from Spain. And the second one was the investment contract from Italy, the knowledge transfer partnership from the UK, support scheme of counseling and training of SMEs from Slovakia, and protect your knowledge from Poland. And the participants voted for the best practice, and they voted for the third one, so knowledge transfer partnership from the UK. So that was the most interesting for them and the most popular. Now let's check if this is also the best practice using scientific methods. So the first criterion is time. As you can see, the best practice is protect your knowledge from Poland, because there is only 4 days, maximum 4 days, for application process, and the mean was 71.5 days. We have also Innovation and Technology Support Network from Spain, and you don't have to wait at all for decision, but we must remember that this is non-financial support. So it's quite hard to compare these two instruments. We can say that we have 2 best practices: financial, protect your knowledge, and non-financial, Innovation and Technology Support Network from Spain. Now, let's take a look at qualitative analysis. So why these 2 instruments, these 2 programs are so fast? I mean, why the application process is so fast? So first of all, when we are talking about protect your knowledge from Poland, there is low level of difficulty of the application process for SMEs, and there is comprehensive awareness and support package disseminated through many communication channels like conferences, seminars and workshops, publications, magazines, promotion materials and web portal. What about Innovation and Technology Support Network? Of course, this is non-financial support, and this is a network of 9 support centers, and they have team committed to the territory. Now, let's take a look at efficiency and effectiveness analysis. The first indicator is accepted applications to submitted applications. So we have here Protect Your Knowledge from Poland and Innovation and Technology Support Network from Spain, when you have 100%. Also, the program from Slovakia is very good, because they have over 99%, and the mean was 83.2%. The second indicator is used money to budget, and the best practice is KTP from the UK, because they used 85% of the budget, and the mean was 41.36%. The third indicator, accepted applications to employed personnel. Here the winner is Protect Your Knowledge from Poland, because they have almost 500 accepted applications per 1 employee, and the mean was 239 accepted applications per 1 employee. Now, qualitative analysis. So why? When we are talking about protect your knowledge, important thing is that this is free of charge support for entrepreneurs, and it's complementary with the national program granting financial support for the intellectual property protection. In case of the program from Spain, it's easy, accessible and applicable, and of course it's non-financial. program from Slovakia. It's free support, what is attractive, particularly for startups. And we have here simple and quick application process. When we are talking about KTP, here we have win-win situation. So it's working experience for students and trained employees. And also there are benefits from academics, like published papers, teaching materials, new research projects, etc. Now, let's have a look at cost-benefit analysis. The first indicator used money to new and safe jobs, and the winner is KTP from UK, because they have over 31,000 euro per one job, and the mean was over 300,000 euro per one job. Then used money to accepted applications, and the winner is also KTP from the UK, because they use 182,000 per one accepted application, and the mean, sorry, there is a little mistake here, it was 5,757 euro per one accepted application. And the third indicator, new and safe jobs per accepted applications. Here we have two instruments. The first one is the instrument from Italy, it's investment contract, and we have here 16 jobs per one accepted application. But we must remember that this program is mainly for big projects. And the second best practice, let's say, is KTP. So we have here 6 jobs per one accepted application, and KTP is more for SMEs. Not like an investment contract from Italy. So, when we are talking about KTP, projects must demonstrate a sound business case, and intellectual property is retained by the beneficiaries. It has good return on investment and an increase in annual profit of beneficiaries. It's connected with investment in plant and machinery of beneficiaries, and also, it increase of annual export of firms' beneficiaries. Let me say about conclusions. So, KTP is the best practice of the good practices which were presented at the last workshop. But, as you could see earlier, it's not the best practice in every aspect. This program makes knowledge to profit. It increases interaction between university and SMEs. It helps the students to secure jobs in the future. We must take into consideration that there are some threats for transfer, like there are some difficulties, there could be some difficulties to motivate academics and or legislative burdens. And this program is dependent on state funds. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free.